Hello everyone, this is Ashkin here. Welcome to our channel Ray. Today we are going to focus on forgetting and when do you have to worry about your forgetting. Okay, so as I have mentioned in my previous video, forgetting is a natural process and also an healthy process, but when does it turns not normal is what we have to be aware of. So this video focuses on 5 things that you need to consider or that you need to be aware of about natural forgetting or a normal forgetting and what is not normal forgetting. Come on, let's move on to the video. Okay, the first thing is getting lost in a familiar places. It's fine if you forget to go to the places that you have visited once or twice, but if you're able to if you're not able to track out the places that you're very much familiar with, then that is a red sign. Okay, and the second thing is asking same questions over and over and again. Okay, so this you could see that it is more often seen in aged people, I would say, though it is like a normal process of aging. They do tend to ask the questions again and again at some point of time, but if that is like very persistent and if they do it for each and every questions or every time you meet them or every time you ask them some questions, then there is a concern that needs to be taken care of. And the third reason is difficulty in following instructions. So here when I mean an instruction, even a simple single instructions also matters. Okay, so if you're asking them to take a bowl, or if you're asking them to take a drink a coffee, and if they're not able to follow that instruction, that means they are not able to make sense of what you're saying, then that is also a red sign. And the fourth one is disorientation about time, place or person. If the person finds it difficult with the familiar faces or the familiar persons that they meet in their everyday life and they are not able to relate to their faces or to their name, or if they are not able to identify which place they stay in and where are they at present, are they at home or are they at office, and if they behave in such a way in office that they are at home. Okay, so if they are like, what do you say, it is called as disorientation, right? So they assume themselves that they are at home and they act like that in the office. So all these are called as disorientation. Also for people, even for not even like aged people, I would say, even for us, sometimes it is fine, it is like it's quite common, I would say, we will not be able to recall which day of the week it is. Okay, so that's absolutely fine, because with some clues if we can recall it. But when it becomes a concern, when does we have to worry is like if with all the certain clues, also if the people are not, or the person is not able to recall what time of the day or what day of the week it is, and that is happening on an everyday regular basis, then that is again a concern. Okay, and the fifth point is difficulty in having conversation. Okay, so difficulty in conversation with whatever the language they are comfortable with, so that also is a red sign. So when they have to use words, if they find it difficult to pick certain words to express, okay, let it be in an oral way or in a written expression which they are actually mastered with, then again that is a concern. So these are the 5 things I would say which is like very important, or which should be like we should be aware, and that needs an immediate attention of the family members as well as the physician. Okay, so this would help you to identify the exact cognitive impairment in people and the necessary requirements, or I would say the necessary remediation that needs to be sought. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel if you find this video useful, and also press the bell icon if you don't want to miss any ray from our channel. Spread the ray.